One of the most popular films in the 21st century is getting its first official land when Monstropolis debuts at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Oh my God, finally!
Monstropolis and
okay,
D23
I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this.
And you know, that's just one piece of the Monstropolis experience. This land is alive with all kinds of dynamic movements that you'd expect from a world where Mike, Sully, and all the monsters live and work. You know, the team is incredible. They're moving really, really fast. Chris, should we show them that sneak peek behind the construction wall?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please,
Sure,
please.
absolutely.
And then we have an experience we know that all of you in this room have been looking forward to for 25 years. It is Harryhausen's restaurant.
Oh my God.
This is the iconic
Oh my God, it's like my
of
favorite
Mike
part of the
and
ride at
Celia's
Disney
ill-fated
California Adventure.
date from Monsters, Inc.
We can
And of
eat there.
course, Sushi Chef, he's going to be there in person.
And he's gonna be there.
What you're seeing is an early
That's an
look at him
animatronic.
in action inside
That's an
our
animatronic.
Figment shop. He's awesome.
Oh my God.
This restaurant, it's going to feature a menu
Oh my
unlike
God.
anything else that we offer at Walt
I
Disney
feel like I'm gonna
World.
cry.
It's going to be a great place to bring your schmoopsy
Oh
food
my
for
God.
that romantic meal.
I cannot wait. I love sushi.
That brings us to something that we are extremely excited about. And it's been a long time in
The roller
making.
coaster.
Let's go inside the Monsters, Inc. factory and door vault.
Oh, this is
building.
insane. This is
You know,
insane.
we were just with the team the other day,
Wow.
and they showed us this amazing work in progress animatic.
Wow.
And Michael said, look, we've got to take it with us to D23.
Of course, right?
It's incredible. It's truly incredible. You are going to be lifted 40 feet in the air in 4 seconds and then launched into the vault. This is going to be mind-blowing. It's just incredible. And while the door coaster, well, we're still working through and prepping it for human ridership, the rest of the land is looking really, really good. And so we were thinking, well, why don't we just open it early? Like, say,
Next year.
nice.
Oh my God. This is so
We can't wait
crazy.
to welcome you into Monstropolis. So open your closet doors and make your way in.
Oh, this is so crazy.
What? No. Humans aren't toxic, remember?
Right. Not toxic.
See you soon in Monstropolis. Seriously?
So that's our show for tonight. Thank
Oh
you
my God.
for joining us on our Disney Experiences
We don't know what's
Carousel
gonna
of
happen.
Progress as we begin travel into our great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Oh no.
Halt, unbeliever. You made me a promise. You swore if I were to host this show, you would restore my favorite animatronic character of all time to his former glory. Behold!
Yes,
Oh my God.
yes,
Oh my God.
we are taking a new journey into imagination at Epcot with Figment. With Figment
Yes,
and Dreamfinder.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
I'm so happy to tell you this. We know how important this is to you. We heard you. And this is one more
my God.
way. We are putting you, all of you in the center of everything we do. Okay, that's really it now. Come out, team. Thank you to our incredible host.
That one was like so highly speculated because like Neil Patrick Harris is such a big fan of Figment, so people really thought they were gonna change and reimagine the attraction. I cannot stop crying. But I thought that was such an obvious one too. And they literally saved it to the end. I did not think that was gonna happen. Oh my God. It's like they listened to us. It's like they actually listened to what we want, which is so crazy. Because that's all they had to do for how long? Oh my God, Figment. Figment's finally wearing a hat too. I can't. Figment's finally getting what he deserves. Finally. I was like, and I love that like Neil Patrick Harris is literally holding a puppet. Literally holding a puppet. That was incredible. That was absolutely incredible. I'm like, oh my God, that was so emotional to watch. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. The two biggest announcements I think I'm gonna cover is the Monsters Inc. stuff and the Figment stuff, because that was insane. So well done. Well done, Disney. Thank you so much for listening to us. That's all I can say. Thank you so much for listening to us.